I am among peppers. Chili peppers, sweet peppers. I don't know about you, but when you think of peppers, do you start to salivate and crave sweet red peppers, golden yellow peppers, mild, these orange, maybe an heirloom variety of some kind? Or are you fiery and you just can't wait to get your teeth into a serrano chili or a jalapeno or a pasilla? Do you love chile rellenos? They're pretty good. You can make your own, and you can grow your own organic peppers at home, by the way. So when it's time to select, what kind of peppers do I want to grow in my garden? My suggestion? Grow what you're going to eat. Grow what you love. Grow what you know you want to experiment with in the kitchen. Now, is there an expensive pepper at the market that you've been thinking of getting? Why don't you grow it? Try it out and see how much you love it. There's many things to consider when selecting a pepper plant, but my recommendation, plant whatever's going to be delicious for you. Oh, and before we plant, I've got an interesting tidbit. Did you know that when you eat jalapenos, serranos, or ghost peppers, your mouth is really not on fire? It's not burning at all. You won't see any blisters. It's just a neurological response. It's how your mouth feels. But nothing is really happening. What it is, it's the capsaicin. Capsaicin is the chemical in peppers that give that perception of heat. Follow me. My series is Eat and Makers. And look for the playlist called Foodie Gardener so you can learn how to grow food. You're going to have a blast.